Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
NBC Sports Network will shut down to bolster Peacock streaming service. 2 sports channel on cable last year, but coverage of the NHL, the English Premier League and NASCAR is now moving to Peacock and the USA Network. 22 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do I watch NBC Sports Channel on Peacock? By signing up for our Peacock free plan, you will have access to our NBC Sports on Peacock channel as well as other sports shows, documentaries, and classic matches.
Make your mark, take our lead.
By signing up for our Peacock free plan, you will have access to our NBC Sports on Peacock channel as well as other sports shows, documentaries, and classic matches. With Peacock, from NBC Universal, you can stream current hits, hundreds of timeless movies, and thousands of episodes of your favorite TV shows.
Take our lead.
NBC Sports Chicago is owned by the NBC Sports Group unit of NBC Universal, which owns 25%, and is itself owned by Comcast, the primary cable provider in the Chicago market. Chicago Bulls and White Sox owner Jerry Reinsdorf, who owns a 50% majority interest, and Chicago Blackhawks owner Rocky Wirtz, who owns 25%.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The NBC Sports Network is shutting down. The network will stop operations by the end of 2021, a person familiar with the plan confirmed to CNBC. NBC will transfer its sports media rights, including the National Hockey League, to USA Network. 22 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
NBC's current deal with the Premier League expires at the close of the 2021-22 season. According to a Premier League spokesman, the league will not be commenting on this or any of the questions about NBC's decision to shut down Nbcsn as a channel in 2021. 23 January 2021.
Take our lead.
NBC Universal. Both networks are owned by CNBC parent company NBC Universal. The plan to halt operations will allow NBC to attract more reach for its sports content. USA Network is available in 86 million homes, while Nbcsn has an estimated 80 million household reach. 22 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.